I'm Katie, and today I'm going to show you some tips for hiking with kids.
Let's go!
All right, so my first tip, find the right hike. Choose a hiking trail that's not too long, too steep, or too boring, or you might have to cut your hike short, especially when hiking with little kids. Before choosing a trail, go online to find out how difficult it is. Is there a better time of day to go? Does it have enough bathroom spots, picnic tables, or other resources that can make it ideal for your hikers? And as a pro tip, know where you're going. Download and print trail maps online, or take a photo of the trail map on site before starting your hike. Tip 2, bring the right gear. Keeping kids safe and comfortable is the key to a successful hike, like the right hiking shoes for support, the right layers for coverage, and an extra change of clothes. And don't forget the sunscreen and a hat to keep the sun off their faces. I always like to have bug spray too, which reminds me of another bonus tip. Don't forget to check for ticks. And if you've got teeny tiny hikers, maybe a kid carrier pack. And for tip 3, this is my favorite tip. Take lots of snacks and drinks. Hydration is extremely important when doing anything outside, so make sure you have ample water on hand. And because hangry kids are not happy hikers, having high-powered snacks like trail mix and granola bars is an absolute must. This will give them the boost they need to keep going and can also be a great motivator. Tip 4, take lots of breaks. You may be rearing to go for miles, but kids may not. Adding little breaks keeps the hike from feeling too long and gives kids a chance to recharge, take a bathroom break, or simply stop to marvel at their surroundings. On to tip 5, play games. I know kids can get bored easily, so I like to come up with some fun games to play while hiking. We like to play I Spy and do little scavenger hunts. Giving kids fun tasks to complete during your hike keeps them happy and engaged. And for my final tip, tip 6, enjoy the little things. Hiking with kids can be unpredictable, but no matter what obstacles you come across, the time outside together is always worth it. There's usually something new to discover, even if it wasn't part of the plan. Keep this in mind for you and your little hikers, and every hike will be successful in its own way. Let's recap. The tips we talked about today included finding the right hike, bringing the right gear, taking lots of snacks and drinks, and taking lots of breaks. We also talked about playing games to keep them engaged and to always enjoy the little things, no matter what challenges you may face. Got any hiking tips you want to share? Drop us a comment below and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on getting outside. And visit L.L.Bean.com/explore for more outdoor inspiration.